Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, as you know, we have hit another all-time high. We have hit another all-time high. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this early, but we have hit another all-time high. We're here. We are here. Okay. All right. So let's get straight to it with the news. So Bitcoin hits new all-time high above 109,000. Bitcoin surged to a record high of approximately 109,500, which we all know now it's above that, surpassing its previous peak from January. This rally has attributed to renewed investor optimism and expectations of favorable U.S. cryptocurrency regulations. So, I'm bullish. I'm very bullish. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of around 500,000 by the end of this year. I've been seeing a lot of that, this week in the news. Uh, let's move on to the next one. U.S. proposes stablecoin regulation with the Genius Act. The U.S. Congress is advancing the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act. I did not know it was. That's what Genius Act was. Aiming to provide a comprehensive framework for stablecoin issuers. The bill seeks to reduce regulatory uncertainty and foster mainstream adoption of dollar backed digital assets. When we get there, I am never selling Bitcoin. Everything else, the meme coins and Solana and stuff, yeah, I'll sell that stuff. Well, yeah, I will never sell Bitcoin. Never sell Bitcoin. All right, moving on to Hong Kong. Hong Kong passes. Oh, what's this? Hong Kong passes landmark stablecoin bill. Hong Kong's legislator, I can never say that word, approved a bill establishing a licensing framework for fiat reference stablecoin issuers. Come on, Sandy. Since I can't make a video without you. All right. Sorry about that. Where was I? This move positions Hong Kong as a competitive hub for digital assets and enhances its virtual asset market. All right. Let's keep on moving. All right. This is a scam, I think. Anyways, crypto whales accumulate tokens ahead of Trump's crypto dinner. Large investors are accumulating tokens like Cycle, Clanker, and Candle in anticipation of Trump's exclusive crypto dinner on May 22nd, which is tomorrow, signaling potential market movements. Now, I haven't heard anything about these cryptos. And at this point, any crypto that deals with Trump, it's a scam. Any crypto that deals with Trump is a scam. All right. So, I have some. Yeah, let's just go over these few stocks that I have. They're not the best. Nothing would be. You'll see. It's not any major trades, immediate trades just yet. So we have a retest is finishing on the 2-hour chart from this breakout right here. I believe this is like a 6-hour breakout. Yes, 6-hour breakout. The retest is happened. Well, it broke out right here on this flag, and then when you go down to the 2-hour, you will see looks like a reversal is starting. Go down on the 30-minute, you can see it with the MACD. Anywho. All right, so that's one. Let's look at Amazon. This one actually is showing me a pennant. So this is on the 2-hour as well. So basically, like always, we're just looking for a breakout above this trend line. And this is on the 2-hour. And of course, once you break out, you move up to the 6-hour and find your TP, which I'm pretty sure we all remember how it's done. I'm going to choose this one right here to that top, and then put it like someone like right there, and then boom. Price does come right here a lot. So yes, this will be a good trade for Amazon to 224. All right, Tesla. We have a reversal on the 2-hour. I believe this is very similar to Google. You have a reversal on the 2-hour somewhere. Excuse me, somewhere around here. Of course, you go down a little bit more, you can see. But yep, that's where we at, right there. All right. And last but not least, we have NVIDIA as well. Here we go. 2-hour reversal, just like Tesla. So NVIDIA and Tesla is trading very similar right now. All right. Now let's move on to what we came to this channel about. Crypto. Not much has changed from my previous video this week. Basically everything has gone in the correct way. I cannot speak today. Today is one of them days. So let's look up. Let's just go down because I believe I did all of these. Sandy, what you need? Hold on, guys. Bear with me. Sandy, you gotta wait. Give me 15 more minutes, Sandy. That's all I need. All right. Back. So, let's see. Oh, yeah, I definitely had to break out right here. I had to break out, but this looked like this trend line wasn't the best. Or we must have gotten some news. About something. Anywho, it is Ave, so. Anywho, let's keep on moving. XTZ. As you can see, just like a candle is forming right here. It is, only 2 minutes in. We have it engulfing right here as well. And that's just a clean breakout. All right, moving on. Boom, another one. Now, I know this looks just like the XTZ. So what I want to do Let's move this over yonder like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that trend line. I like that better. I like that better. So, um, looks like I made a mistake, which is fine, which is fine, which is good for you guys, just so you guys know that I'm human as well. So, let's go back to XTZ and move that around as well. Yeah, because I was definitely thinking, because if it was a real breakout, well, we do have volume. We do have volume right here. So it should be breaking out. Okay. Okay. And see, and that's another reason why it's good to trade on higher time frames, because you can second guess yourself. You can just think more. You can put more time into your entries and your exits. All right, let's move on to Blur. Everything showing the same. Looks like every crypto has a fair value gap right here, and it's respecting it. What is this? A triple bottom? That's what it looks like. This looks like a triple bottom. I haven't seen many of these. I haven't seen many of them. But this is what it looks like, a triple bottom. All right. It's just so. I don't know if I told you guys how I plan on doing this bull run. This will be my first bull run, and what I plan on doing is, since I cannot find a leverage broker or website or however you want to call it, what my goal is to do is to be in like 5 trades at one time. And with those 5 trades at one time, what that's going to do for me is act as a 5x leverage. That's how I'm going to play it. So if I want a 10x, I'm going to have to be in 10 trades at one time. Yeah, so that's how I'm going to play it. That's how I'm going to play it, guys. All right, and another one. This bull run is about to be crazy. From the stuff that I've been hearing, because the previous bull runs have been fueled by retail investors. Now we have states, we have countries, we have companies, and well, I guess states, and I guess that all falls up under government and whatnot. And we have retail. And we have retail. So yeah, this is going to be a big one, a big one. Yeah, so just keep on moving them all around, because it's all doing the same thing. And we didn't already did about 5. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I get in all 8 of these trades, I could potentially get a 8x. I could potentially get an 8x. Just let that sink in. And then on top of that, speaking of leverage, it's a guy a whale, should I say. He, I think he did like a 40x long of like $1 trillion. TC whale, 40x leverage. Let's see if it pops up. Let's see. This is stuff from. Bear with me. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find it. Here it is. So yeah, this person got a 40x long. A 40x long. And he added to this. He or she added to this. And it's like over a billion. It's over $1 billion. Look at all these 40x longs. Or is this the same person? Yeah, 40x. Yeah, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. All right, let's get back. Let's get back. All right, Jupiter. Same thing. Same thing. I don't know if I want to, cause I feel like it broke out. I feel like H or Jupiter already broke out. Let's see, that's one, two. Well, I mean, it got the touches. It has the touches. It is a trend line, but is it the right trend line for a breakout? That's what We are trying to see. Yeah, cause man, look at all of this. Look at all of this. Say for instance, you're you're coming into the market with less than $100. Most of these cryptos are, cheap. So you can definitely flip that $100 fairly quickly. Fairly quickly. Here's another one. It looked much better on the 12 hour, actually. Yeah, it looked much better on the 12 hour. Like, I truly don't know what else to say. Like, just take a year and learn how to trade. You take that year and learn how to trade, you will never have to work for another paycheck. Or should I say, you will never have to work for someone else. You will never have to wake up early in the morning to clock in. You can change your whole family future. You can take your family out of poverty. Man, it's just so much freedom when it comes to trading. It's just so much freedom. And the Bitcoin is at 110. 110. And to be honest, this little setup. Let's see. Let's hide everything. This little setup This little setup is the bull run. This little setup. And I say that because when I was preparing myself to, learning how to trade, that's how, here's one right there. That's how you know that, type stuff. Like, here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. That's 2020 bull run. Like boom, boom, boom. Like, what's what's the ROI on this? That was 6%, just that move. And then you get in somewhere down there. That was 13%. 13% in what, 3, 4 days? It's another. No, because that move right there. Now, and this was a 22%. Now, let's look at something. Let's look at a Pepe, which Pepe has been going crazy. Let's look at a Pepe, and that was in 2020. Oh, what was this? Is that a candle? Yes, that is a candle. So yeah, so we looking at 2020. Is this it right here? No. No, or maybe she. Dang, no. I guess we're gonna have to go through Ethereum. Where's my ETH at? Okay, there we are. 2020. I think it said like October 2020, which is probably, this is it. Probably right here. Yep, that's it. All right. Well, dang, but this don't even tell. This doesn't. What I was trying to do. Anyways, here's another one right here. This move was almost 70%. This move was almost 70% in a week. That's still not 2020 like I was looking for. Well, it is, because it's probably like October, somewhere around here. Yeah. So this was one coin making 70%. Just imagine something like Pepe make this same move. This same move would probably. I don't even want to give out a number, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be double of, it's gonna be more than 150%. How did Solana? Solana is. Let's see Solana real quick. Nope. Mm-mm. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. 200. That's a 240% move. 72%. Like, come on. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But I think I got everything that I wanted to discuss with you guys so far. But we actually didn't even look at Bitcoin. We did earlier, but we really didn't much. Let's talk about where we looking. Where we looking? So around here by 118, this is where I see Bitcoin going, and then it's going to fall back down. It could potentially fall right back down here, and then what do? You get right back in because it's the bull run. Or if you're just holding spot like how I just started on Kraken, every time a pullback happen, put more money in. Boom, just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. But yeah, until the next video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the above. Again, I'm X, and you've been watching We Here Now. To the next one, I'll see you. Peace.